Want to download Cisco Packet Tracer without wasting time? If you can follow 3 simple steps, you'll be ready to build your first network today. So let's do it in the right way. Open browser, go to google.com and then type download Cisco Packet Tracer. Then the first link will appear, click on that. And it will show you Cisco Packet Tracer. Scroll down a little bit and then click on this, getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. I've already logged in. Okay, you have to register it first. Then go to download or use a Cisco Packet Tracer. Install Cisco Packet Tracer and then download Cisco Packet Tracer. So click on this link. Scroll down and you will find I am having a Windows, so I will click on this link. After that, click on I accept the agreement, then next, click next, 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 and then install. So after completing this, click finish. So go with the Cisco for all. It will redirect to the page. You have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. So यहाँ पे successfully login हो चुका है. And that's it. You have now successfully installed Cisco Packet Tracer. And in the next lecture, I will give you a tour of Cisco Packet Tracer and I will guide you to create your first working network. So hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.